Pink Muhly grass isn't just a wonderful elaborate grass, but at the same time, it's slow upkeep. It doesn't take a lot in that frame of mind of time and thoughtfulness regarding capitalizing on this showy plant. These plants grow at a moderate rate and are best placed in the ground in the spring or in the fall, essentially a month before the underlying ice is normal. In the spring and summer, the slim, long shoots of grass are green in variety. As the fall draws near, the plant creates delicate, fluffy blossoms in pink or pinkish-red tints which are frequently contrasted with the presence of cotton candy. Pink Muhly grass care. There are a lot of fancy grasses to browse, yet few are as staggering and yet low support as pink Muhly grass. Favoring warm, dry environments, this sprouting grass is well known for landscaping both local locations, roadway medians, and parks. The excellence and overflow of these sprout bunches make the plant an appealing expansion to any garden, particularly since the blossoms show up toward the finish of the growing season and make for a fabulous last completion in the fall. Light. Pink Muhly grass should be established to some degree sun or full sun conditions. It can tolerate some shade, however for legitimate growth and blossoming, the grass expects basically a few hours of sunlight every day. Soil. The main thing to know is that this kind of grass requires dry, well-depleting soil. Assuming that the soil turns out to be too wet or boggy, pink Muhly grass won't flourish. As far as soil pH, this plant favors slightly acidic to non-partisan soils. Soil with too high of a pH level will be harming to the plant. Water. When pink Muhly grass is laid out, it doesn't need a lot of in that frame of mind of the customary water system as precipitation will do fine. It's viewed as dry season tolerant and favors dry soil. There's a compelling reason need to run for the watering can on the off chance that you experience short episodes of dry climate. The profound underlying foundations of this grass plant empower it to flourish even in dry, hot circumstances. Temperature and humidity. Pink Muhly grass thrives in warm, dry climates. While it's local as far north as Massachusetts, it's not unexpectedly found in overflow in sweltering, dry environments where it grows well and returns a large number of years. And while this plant definitely approves of a warm climate, too much humidity can influence it adversely and may build defenselessness to tar spot, a contagious plant sickness. Fertilizer. Most fancy grasses flourish without the expansion of fertilizer. Too much nitrogen could inconveniently affect plants like pink Muhly grass and influence the shoots to become limp. It's ideal to do a soil test to decide if your soil supplements need a lift.